Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will be talking about my monthly giveaway for February 2024. If you are here today, thank you so much for watching my Ipsy unboxing for February 2024. Again, I want to say thank you to Ipsy for gifting me all these products, and because of that, it has allowed me to do these monthly giveaways and to be able to share these products with you guys. So the first item that you could be winning is the LYS Speak Love Glossy Lip Treatment Oil. So this is a lip gloss. It's non-sticky and it's filled with natural oils and soothing hydrators. The next item in the giveaway is the Biro New York Pro Berry Pore Refining Toner. It's a clarifying toner with Pro Berry symbiotics and ceramides that rebalance excess oil and unclogs pores. Next up is the Phase Zero Santorini Quad Eyeshadow Palette. I feel like this is the perfect neutral quad and it's perfect for travel. You also get this fun sort of lilac pink duochrome Ipsy Glam Bag. Now, to add a Valentine's touch to this giveaway is a candle. I love that it's a squarish candle and it's perfect to light up during those self-care moments and skincare routine. Speaking of skincare, I got you covered with this Lucky Chick lip scrub. This is an exfoliating lip treatment. Next is the Unic Propolis Vitamin Eye Cream for eye and face. I've never seen an eye cream before that works for the face as well, but this is an intensive wrinkle care advanced anti-aging product. The next item in this giveaway is the YC Collection Eyeliner in the color San Juan. This is a white eyeliner, guys, perfect for brightening in the inner corners of your eye. Lastly, in this giveaway is a Scentbird Scentbox perfume product. If you haven't heard of Scentbird and Scentbox, they are a perfume subscription company. And all you gotta do is let me know what type of scents you are into. Is it floral? Is it woodsy? Is it fresh, beachy, or sweet? And I will try to get you a perfume that matches your scent profile. So that is everything, guys. Thanks again for watching my Ipsy unboxing video for the month of February. This giveaway is open to all my subscribers. All the details about the giveaway and how to enter are going to be in the description box below. But in order to enter, make sure to drop a heart emoji in the comments below. It could be any emoji that has a heart on it. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye!